Hi guys, welcome back to Havoc TV. It's Holland again. It's another day out at Killarney. It's actually, the weather's not the greatest, but I suppose it's turbo weather. I'm sitting here with Zahir.
Yeah.
Correct. Right. Welcome. Thanks very much for being with us.
Thanks.
So today we've got a bit of a different spin again. I think we're lucky we came early. I think this is the earliest I've ever been to the track, to be honest. You know? And we, with Zahir, and fortunately another two golfs, we'll take a look at it now too. The Thanas tuned, guys. So you've got the 7.5R. Yeah, tell us a bit about it. What is it? It's obviously not stock.
Yeah,
I'm going to say that. I'm just going to say that.
It's just a basic stage 2.
Okay.
It's got a downpipe intake. I've got an upgraded intercooler, upgraded boost pipes, and then I've also got a running mid kit.
Oh, okay. So you're running coolant on there as well.
Yeah.
No, but it performs very, very nice on the track.
Thanks,
though. Did you do your times on the track yet? What you're pulling on the 400
No, nothing
meter?
on the track yet. Nothing on the track yet. I've just done some draggies on the street.
Okay.
The best I did was 11.60.
Jeez, that's not too bad, eh?
Yeah. So
Not too bad. No, because we could definitely see it even on here, the way that thing pulled. I mean, it literally gripped off the line, and second and third gear still goes. So, so we saw that. I mean, you had a bit of fun against the RS3, so it was a very nice comparison.
Yeah, it was my first time out at the track last week. We basically just finished the car recently.
Okay.
So the car's been tuned about a month now, a month or two.
Okay. What's the power in the car and the torque?
It's on 273 now.
Not
with,
bad.
507 newtons.
Jeez. But that four-wheel drive system, I think it's where it gets all that power. So everything gets delivered. Because we always have the discussion about the power, people look power figures, and you know, at the end of the day, it needs to come down.
Yeah, it's more how the car performs on the road.
Correct.
It's most important.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. Now that's okay. And tonight you're going to take it out for a few runs, obviously.
Yeah, we did some changes on the file from the last time that we were here.
Okay.
So the last time we were running just pump fuel. So now we've tuned a bit the car for meth. So when I was here previously at my 262 kilowatts, so we've got a little more power now.
Jeez.
So looking to see how the car does.
That's going to be interesting. Now, wow, get ready, eh? Got something for you. But no, I think, I mean, look, we always we tell people we come out here just to come have some fun. Fortunately, we also got the cars that we take out just to test. So you can say, I mean, it's all the fun, but the fun of the night, you know, and Robert Racing is about that.
Have some fun, race a bit in a controlled environment, so yeah.
Exactly. And I mean, like I said, like we were chatting, Mickey and I the other day, when saying that, you know, it's nice to gauge the comparisons. I mean, we're running stock vehicles. So it's just always nice to put something up. Not that we want to basically do a comparison against a tuned car, but it's also good to just see where it's at, you know.
Yeah, where it's at.
Because I mean, like a power figure number on a tuned car versus a power figure on a stock car, it's two different things.
Yeah.
You know, and I think that's where you can see very quickly.
Yeah.
And especially on a slippery track like this as well, it shows where the performance comes in and where the traction kicks.
Yeah, also your TCU tune that you've got also helps a lot.
Yeah.
And where your launch control is set and all those kind of
Yeah.
things. So we've done a bit of changes on that as well.
Okay.
So hopefully it will make a difference.
No, that sounds cool. Yeah, look, we're going to put the camera in the car, see what it's like, what you're feeling in the car too. So that's going to be a bit of a spin. That's going to be interesting. And then hopefully get a couple of good runs. You know, I think we'll just take a quick walk, show the people your car, you know, do that thing. Obviously, because now we're talking about the watering. We'll just have a look, and then I think when you're ready, if you're keen, we'll put the black car up again so you can have a quick run.
Yeah, we can do that.
Cool. Let's go have a walk. Yeah, so like I was saying, we got the early parking. Fortunately, we never parked this side of the pits, so this is cool for us. Right? This is good hearing. So let me get this correct. So this is the Golf. Is this 6 or 7?
This is a Golf 7.
Golf 7?
GTI, yeah.
GTI Thanas tune. We've actually had this car at our shop. We had a very interesting chat about it. Also that whole power to putting the power on the ground, the four-wheel drive system and that. Yeah. So that was actually quite cool. Got the Club Sport.
Yeah, that's
This thing sounds ridiculous.
Yeah, this is the tune of the owner's car.
Okay.
So this is his car, yeah.
Very, very cool. Sound well, we heard the thing when it came in, it's insane. And then obviously yours.
Everything is a threat, but I never back down, man, I'd rather be
we said
Jeez.
it's fast, faster, and fastest that it's set up. That's
Fast, and fastest.
Yeah, but it's not actually.
Ah, okay,
That's
okay.
a faster car. I was just giving a bit of trolling.
Nah, that's yes, that's what this thing looks good, eh?
Thanks, man.
And but you've done no exterior mods. Is this exactly as it? No, that's different rim on it.
No, it's got the Pretoria rims. It's just
Okay.
been made black. It's got a lowering kit in and some spacers as well.
Okay, I was actually looking at the car when the last time, and I could see there was a different stance in it. So that's quite cool.
Yeah, other than that, outside it's still as I bought it.
But it's a good-looking car. I think where it matters, it's inside. Under the hood. For all I can say is good luck for the evening. You know,
Thanks,
use the weather. The weather, like I said earlier, is perfect.
Yeah, that's
The
why I plan
breeze
to come
is
a bit
blowing.
earlier, so the car can cool down a bit, and then hopefully you can get some good runs in. But it's a front-wheel drive, so it's not really, yeah.
The difference in delivery.
Difference in delivery, yeah, but
No, just as the cars are coming in now. But listen, I think maybe if you're ready, we can do a couple of runs.
we can do it.
I want to see what you see. I think I'll jump in the car when you end of your run too.
Okay.
We can have a bit of a chat, what you feel was, and then yeah, just give the viewers a little bit of a different experience too. So no, thanks.
Okay.
Ja, met iemand helmet, seatbelt.
Don't worry, I got him. He's got a pink band on. Supposed to be,
Pink
yeah,
band.
it's supposed
It's
to be
not pink,
purple.
it's purple.
Supposed to be purple.
It is purple. You colorblind, right?
Yeah, take a joke, man.
I am taking a joke.
I think I'll go sleep on my father's lawn. You go sleep in Sunnydale.
I love you too.
We will call it either by bumper, half a car, 2 cars, 4 cars, 5 cars, and then country mile. But not me trying to be funny as the polls that I get. That's the first car of the night. For the study of bulletin now. Slow start to the engine.
You must have enjoyed that. First time. against him or you're going up against him? Nobody to go with him. He's going with him.
Single run.
Just let him go.
Single run.
Let him warm up his tires.
Solo run for him. Take one is drive. Still on.
Go forward.
Back. That's now on. We are there. Havoc TV this way.
Not quick enough. What turbo you running? The hybrid. Very nice. Very nice. Sorry? 2017. Yeah. Right in lane, take about 5, right in lane about 5. Alright, over there.
confidence boost. It's a bit slow course.
But the track filled up quickly though.
Yeah.
As soon as they're in the wind now to get the ending. So how did you find the runs? Did it work for you?
Yeah, it was alright. It did better than what it did last week, so
Okay.
it's a good improvement. Yeah.
And I saw you took on the RS5. That was.
Yeah.
Only 2 races though.
Yeah.
Are you gonna do it again? Is he gonna do it again? You gonna do it again?
Yeah, we can go again.
I think,
grab
yeah.
something to eat now.
Yeah, exactly. And I see the bonnet's open, getting the
Yeah,
cooling.
cooling the car down a bit.
But the car's quick though. The car is quick. The car is very quick. Now look, but I mean, thanks again for entertaining us.
No problem. No problem.
Yeah, thanks
It
for,
was
thanks for
fun.
being. It's actually like good to be at the track, though, you know, having a chat. And the
Yeah.
thing is, you can actually see that almost like nervousness in the
Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
that
it
pre and
was
post.
fun.
But it is what it is, eh? Guys, this is Harlan. I'm wrapping up now. I just want to say thanks again for your time on the channel. You know, thanks for we'll see you out a bit later again. You know,
Yeah.
and guys, remember, like, share, and subscribe. Keep on commenting. Keep on watching. We're not going to stop the content. And this is Harlan from Havoc TV. We are completely.
I forgot.
I'm leaving that in. I'm leaving that in.
Sorry,
But we
man,
take
you
two.
completely,
This is Havoc TV and we
Completely
completely disruptive.
disruptive.
Thanks very much. I'm leaving that part in.